Regards to the African Swine Fever virus that existed in Oton, Iloilo. Last October 7, Friday, the first African Swine Fever virus cases was detected at Barangay Bita Norte, Oton, Iloilo. CPCR and rapid testing was conducted on the affected swine, and on October 10, results came out, and the results was positive of African Swine Fever virus. Immediately after, with the real-time PCR test data in his position, Dr. Tabuada, Provincial Veterinary Office, executed the African Swine Fever contingency plan by conducting deep population on affected pigs at ground zero situated at Barangay Bita Norte, Oton, Iloilo. The depopulation process last October 13 involves 305 heads, and on October 15, 69 more pigs were added on depopulation process. That totals to about 374 pigs depopulated. Investigation now is still going in that area, and intensified risk assessment, surveillance, and monitoring is heightened on how, when, and why the ESF came into notice. Honorable Governor Defensor Jr. issued a memorandum order addressed to all mayors, punong barangays, ESF task force to institute measures, advisories, directives on ESF quarantine procedures and disease prevention and control measures. And today, the Governor also issued a Executive Order number 460, which includes containment measures for municipality of Oton to be considered as a red open parenthesis, infected zone for a period of 10 days beginning today up until October 27. Open parenthesis, extendable if necessary, close parenthesis. For the live pigs, pork products, and swine genetic materials from municipality of Oton shall not be moved out to other LGUs or local government unit. EO 460 of the Governor also provides the Department of Agriculture Administrative Circular number 2, series of 2022 for the National Zoning and Movement Plan for the Prevention and Control of ASF virus that includes movement of live pigs, pork and pork products, cooked and uncooked in the province of Iloilo. Madam Presiding Officer, I bring this matter to the August Hall not only for the members to have a bird's eye view on what's happening to our hog industry in the province of Iloilo, but also to take my action point to the floor and refer this to the committee concerned for the drafting of an ordinance for the purpose of containment of the virus, if not to eradicate totally the African Swine Fever virus in the entire province of Iloilo. Thank you.
On the subject matter reported and made by the Honorable Cajilig, I move that this be referred to the Committee on Agriculture.
Said item is referred to the Committee on Agriculture.